Only welding enables us to reliably and cost-effectively join metals to match user specifications. Welding involves liquefying the material at the weld for a short time to join the parts. Welded metal joints, like these, demonstrate ideal characteristics and a maximum degree of strength, the best conditions for products that last a lifetime and were produced using ideal machines. Clemens Jungerblot Sr. was already aware of this when, in 1923, he came up with the ingenious business idea of the electrical bandsaw welder. By the 1960s, when his sons Clemens and Eberhard took over the business, the workforce had grown to 110 employees. The company had sold 100,000 machines in 80 countries. Today, the brothers' children, Dorothy and Max Jungerblot, are the third family generation at the helm of the company. Ideal employs around 240 staff at 2 sites in Lippstadt, Germany and in the USA. All told, the company has sold in excess of 250,000 machines in more than 90 countries. Within a period of 90 years, this manufacturer of small welding devices has developed into a mechanical and plant engineering company with a wide product and service portfolio. The first step in bringing an idea for a machine to life is planning and consultation with the customer. The Ideal project teams also continually coordinate their activities. The teams include mechanical and electrical engineers, specialist workers in a variety of disciplines, and, of course, service and sales staff who all cooperate closely in terms of content and office location. The high degree of vertical integration in manufacturing and the location in the heart of Germany result in a number of benefits for both customers and Ideal. Short distances and direct communication, intelligent workflows in cutting-edge production centers, and a perfectly designed material flow that does away with long waits or delivery periods. But what really makes the Ideal difference is our experienced, motivated, and excellently trained staff. After component manufacturing, all machine assemblies, such as the mechanical system, electrical system, pneumatics, hydraulics, and control units, are combined to form a functional unit. A dedicated Ideal division continues to produce series machines like these modern bandsaw welders, which are 100% tested throughout. Ideal's bespoke mechanical engineering division develops and manufactures increasingly larger production lines for many products in a variety of industries. Here, for instance, you see the complete assembly and testing of a machine for producing wire mesh fencing at Ideal before it is installed at the customer premises shortly afterwards. Programmable controls play an increasingly important role, particularly for customized and complex machines. At Ideal, a host of specialist staff and engineers work on developing, programming, and implementing these machine components. Across our entire production facilities, some 20 young people are currently completing apprenticeships that offer them excellent opportunities looking forward. They form an integral part of the team, just like their long-standing colleagues. At Ideal, we design and produce customer-specific production lines for international, large-scale projects on a daily basis. Following comprehensive tests, this laser welding system will be knocked down at Ideal and reassembled just a few days later on the premises of a European steel company. Once installed, the system will continuously laser weld large steel strips and subsequently roll them up to form heavyweight coils. Ideal is a well-known and reliable partner to our international customers for premium welding solutions. Over the years, the mechanical engineering company based in Lippstadt, Germany has become an established brand and even the global market leader that companies have trusted for decades in many industries.